What's good, guys? I'm Tinker. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get Matic for free by claiming full sets on a website called coinpayu. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. We post videos on crypto and wombat wallets. coinpayu is a Bitcoin advertising platform where you can earn crypto and advertise your products. So let me log in and claim my Matic. So I am logging to coinpayu. First of all, there's a 3 lines at your left top corner. You click on it, go to profile, click on wallet, then you select the wallet of your choice. So here is Matic. Then you insert your address here. You go to Womplay, you go to the wombat wallet and copy your address. After you have copied your address, you go back to coinpayu website. Then you paste it down here on this address. Make sure you paste it down here, but make sure you paste it down here. If you don't paste it down here, you won't be able to withdraw to your Matic address. Click on full sets. On coinpayu, there are different full sets which you can claim. You can claim Bitcoin, Cardano, Dogecoin, Oasis Network, Tesos, Tron, Solana, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dash, Bitcoin, Binance, BitTorrent, Tether, Shiba Inu, and then Polygon. There are lots more cryptocurrency in which you can claim full sets. I'll leave a link to the website in the video description below. You can go and check it. I'll click on claim. And you can be claiming your full set every 60 minutes. So I have claimed one of my full sets. You have earned 0 points. Okay, it's gone. You can see how much I've earned. Currently in my balance I have 0.010243 Matic in my full set. In order to withdraw the Matic, you can see here, you can see swap and withdraw. You click on withdraw. And here's my wombat wallet address for the Polygon for Matic. Currently have 0.010243, so I can't withdraw it. The maximum amount you can withdraw is 0.369891 Matic to withdraw. So I don't have the requirement to withdraw for it for now. But if you have reached the requirement to withdraw, this withdraw button will be activated, and you have to wait for 3 business days for them to process the payment to your wallet. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video to your friends in order to make things more easier for you. Like I said, the link to the website is on my description below. You can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.